Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Enchanted Moon box. It's very big. So let me let's see what I can do here. Oh, hold on. There we go. Got some inside. Okay, we got a oracle card. Cool. Got a ribbon and an insert. Oh, the theme is fairy and enchantment. So I always read this last. Tissue paper. Whoa, so full. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, so much. Okay, all right. Okay. Whoa. Ooh. Oh, I've got a little spill here. Shit. It's sticky. I think a sweetening jar spilled on me. Okay, hold on, poor little guy. Oh, this guy was probably beat up on the way here. Okay, so this is a beautiful enchanted tea, and the tea's okay. The tea has survived, and it's pretty. Okay, this is probably some delicious honey. It says Enchanted Hibiscus Honey. It has leaked a little bit. And so, and it's got like some crystals and some, looks like hibiscus and rosebuds. Let me just grab a paper towel. Sorry, hold on one second. Okay. Let's just put it on that for a little bit. Okay. Start like sticking up. It's definitely one of those days. Okay. So here's the fairy tea. The bag's a little bit wet, but that's okay. The muslin bag, it probably won't hurt that either. And then there's like some little crystals that are sticky. Oh god. So very cool. A little bit sticky, but let's see what else is in here. It's alright. I want to keep digging in here. Okay. So we've got, oh, that's cute. My son's gonna love that. So this is Fairy Enchanted Magical Seeds. Nice. And then we have a little fairy figurine on a little stick. My son's gonna love this. And then, sorry, I'm trying to keep organized here. We've got some pretty ribbon and a purple wrapped item. Dance with fairies, ride a unicorn, swim with mermaids, chase rainbows. Cool. Beautiful little journal. Love that. You can never have too many journals. Pardon me. You can never have too many journals. A beautiful book. Fairy, A Guide to Lore, Magic, and World of the Good Folk by John Cruz. Cool. There's so much in this box. All right. Keep going. Ooh. Fairy Dreams incense. I've never had this. It smells pretty good. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, golly. Oh my goodness. Oh. Wow. Look at that. That's beautiful. It's like a beautiful unicorn wand. I love it. Wow, so pretty. And like sturdy, heavy. Nice. Very beautiful. Love that. I'm gonna put it over here for a second. Ooh, we've got a beautiful candle with some herbs around it. Smells good. Smells good. Lovely. Very cool. And we've got a big box in here. Make sure there's nothing else. Okay. Let's open this box. Pardon me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. So beautiful. Awesome. Alright, let me pull this up so I can see what I'm looking at. I enjoyed putting this month's box together for you. I hope you truly enjoy it. Use the items in this box any way you choose. So this is a fairy house planter. Perfect size to start your own fairy garden. You will have to provide the soil. This is great for indoor or outdoor use if you live in the suburbs or the cities. So that's really cool. I'm definitely going to use this in a project with my little boy. We love planting magic. I included an envelope with fairy enchanted seeds. Right there. For you to start your garden, either in your garden or in the fairy house included. No box is complete without the magical knowledge at your fingertips. Oh. Pardon me. Looks like there's two different book options. I got the I'm so sorry. Fairy Guide to the Lore Magic of the World by the Good Folk by John Cruz. Oh, beautiful. So nice. I love that. Okay, so let's put this here so you guys can see it. Oh my goodness. Okay. So we got the seeds, we got this, we got that. Okay, perfect. A fairy enchantment tea. So beautiful. I love that. It open your mind with the brew of organic spearmint, lemongrass, orange peel, peppermint, rose hiss, raspberry, and cinnamon. Fairy enchanted honey with hibiscus. Add to your tea or leave some in your garden as offering to the fae. Also included a tea bag. So yes, the tea bag and little stones. A quartz crystal has been added to add to your soil. The energies of the crystal will help with the growth of your magical seeds. I created a fairy enchantment candle for you to enjoy while reading or meditating to help open you up to messages of the fairy realm. Charged and blessed. Fairy incense, another way for you to connect with the fairy realm. and it smells so good. While you are sipping your tea with your candle lit, incense burning, I included a pocket-sized journal. So cute. I love that a lot. I love journals. Oh, it's a pencil. Oh, it's a pencil. That's so cool. And a fairy pencil. The finishing touch is a fairy, magical fairy one. My throat is dry. Alright, I'm going to put that here. So beautiful. And then, of course, an oracle card from the Fairy Guidance Oracle. Ooh, their next box is the Kitchen Witch. Yum. So, let me get this aimed a little bit higher. It's really cool items. I love it. It's very different. I think this is probably my favorite. And the journal, but I love this. I can't wait to plant something in this. Pardon me. It gives me an excuse to buy houseplants, which is probably not my husband's favorite, but that's where we are. It's going to definitely be a little houseplant home. And this is a pencil. I thought it was like a little garden stake, but my son's going to really love it when he sees that it's actually has like a little that he could write with it. So very cool. This box was gifted to me, but the opinions are my own. And I'm going to leave the information in the link below for you to check it out. This is not a monthly box. It's an every other month box. And usually the themes are very different and stuff that I don't see elsewhere. So definitely check that out. She also has a YouTube channel, Enchanted Moon. So check that out as well. And I'll leave all that in the link below. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you soon.